back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. This video is all about journaling apps. Now in my previous journaling video I talked about how you can also write your journal in the apps that are available nowadays in your phone. So this video is all about the journaling apps of 2021. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, are you looking for a journaling app on your phone or on your laptop where you can write everything that's coming into your mind? Then this video is for you, because there are so many different kind of journaling apps that are available nowadays in this era of technology and globalization. I will help you go through few of the applications which are the best and which are the best in terms of privacy as well, because privacy is a major concern when it comes to digital journaling. So in my last video, when I talked about how you can keep a digital journal, many of you raised the concern that what are the safety that these apps take. So I thought that I should also help in that manner, and taking into account the privacy issues, I have penned down a few journaling apps which are the best. Now coming to the applications, now the first journaling app that I want to talk about is known as Penzu. This application I'm using for a long time, and I know that they take the privacy issue very seriously, and you don't have to worry about your document, your data, whatever you are keeping in that journaling app. You don't need to worry about the privacy problems. Now Penzu is a diary and a personal journal which you can keep in your phone, which is there in your phone, which is focused on privacy. Now you can use Penzu for your writings. You can jot down and write anything you want, and anything that's coming into your mind, you can use that as a proper journal, but on your phone or on your laptop. And then you can lock it with a password. The password will be entirely for you and nobody is going to gain access to that. So that is the biggest advantage of this application. You can also put a pin or password to the entire application. That's also an option, and no one is going to read it because it's doubly password protected. I feel that it's very safe to use this application. Now a few of the main features of this application are unlimited journaling. There are many different kinds of journal covers that are available which will make your journal look funky and quirky. And I feel that this particular application is very helpful and very useful, and if you're looking for the perfect journal digitally, then this is the one for you. I highly recommend this one. The second application that I want to talk about is known as Diaro. Now this is a multifunctional application which you can use as a journal. It is also a notes app which can help you to note down the things that you want to write down. Also it will help you to organize your activities, and this application is designed to record your activities, your appointments, your records, anything that you want. The most important feature of this application is that there is a fingerprint security, and which is very important and very necessary. Your online diary is absolutely safe with fingerprint security, passcode, password, and there are personalized themes and structures which will help you to make the diary or the journal very colorful and bright, and the interface is simple and intuitive. I have used this as well and I'm satisfied, and that's why I'm recommending. You can also use this if you want, and yeah, I love it. I loved using it. The third journaling application that I want to talk about is known as One Day Journal. Now I think this many of you know. It has got very simple and beautiful interface. This application will help you to experience journaling both in fun and in simple manner. You will not face any problem when handling this application. It's very simple, and yet it's very colorful and bright and beautiful. So you will feel like writing every day. That is the main point, and that is the main concern. You should write every day. You shouldn't miss a single day, even if it's for like 2-3 lines, but you should continue writing every day. That should be a priority. So this application makes that very simple and very easy. Again, it has upgraded security and safety, and also it has got passcode and password which will help you to keep your documents and data safe. and it has also got end-to-end encryption and automatic backups. Now the fourth application that I would recommend is known as the Notebook. The Notebook's interface is much like a book. This journaling app is very easy to use because you can swipe right and you can swipe left, and it feels like you are using a book and you're writing in a book, because you can flip through like left and right, which makes the whole experience much more like a book, and you won't feel that you are actually writing on a journal digitally. So this is a very different kind of feeling that you will have when you use this. There are many other features like font size, specifications, table of content, and the most important feature of this application is that your diary is password protected with lock, so you don't need to worry about it. And I have chosen all of my applications keeping in mind that privacy should be the main priority and concern. So each and every application that I'm talking about are very safe. So yeah, I loved all of them, and highly recommend that you use this, because journaling is very important. And if you are comfortable writing in your mobiles or in your laptops, then it's completely up to you. You just have to take care of the privacy concerns and privacy issues that are there. But if that's sorted, then I feel that digitally journaling is also a great way to start journaling. It's all about writing every day. So yeah, I hope this video helps you in some way and you enjoyed this video. If you did so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below, because that would make my day. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned till my next one. Stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.